Hey friends, are you ready to unlock the secret to creating full HD videos with the help of AI? Imagine turning your stories into engaging, high-quality videos, all for free. Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned to find out how you can create stunning 10, 15, or even 20-minute videos with just a few clicks. No experience required. Welcome to Grow with ISA, your go-to channel for all things tech and innovation. Let's dive right into it. Now, let me tell you how you can create a similar video of your own story. To get started, first you need to generate a story. You can write one on your own or use AI to assist you. For example, I've used ChatGPT to generate a story for you. Go to ChatGPT, log in with your email, and you'll have access to ChatGPT. You can ask it to generate a story in whatever language you prefer. I've written a quick, engaging story in English about write a horror script in which 3 friends are stuck in a scary jungle. You can do the same or use any topic you like. Now, head over to Google LXT Studio. Click on Start for free to begin. You'll be asked to log in using your email ID, or you can create a new account. Log in and fill out the required info. After logging in, follow the prompts to set up your account. Accept the terms and conditions and choose your preferences. It's a simple process. Once logged in, click on New Project. Paste your story. Copy and paste your story into the text box. You can adjust the length or format of the story as you need. Once ready, click Next. You'll have 2 options, either create a long or short video. I'm creating a long video here, but feel free to choose what suits your story. Choose your video style. Select your video style. For example, you can choose a cinematic style or go for something else based on your preference. If you want to add any personal images, you can upload them to enhance your video. Wait for AI to generate your video. The system will now generate your video. This process will take about 10 to 15 seconds. Once complete, you'll have a list of scenes created automatically based on your story. AI will even generate the images and background scenes for you. Review and edit the video. After the scenes are generated, you can click on Next and view the results. If you're happy with the scenes, you can move ahead. If you feel like something is missing or needs a tweak, you can edit it at this point. Generate the video. Once everything looks good, click Start to create the video. The AI will generate full HD quality images and combine them to create your video. You'll see your scenes unfold, and it's amazing how quickly the AI works. Export your final video. After syncing your audio and video, export the final video. It will be in full HD quality, and there will be no watermarks. Now your AI-generated video is ready to be shared. You can now share the video on platforms YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or other social media platforms, or even use it for your own projects. Bonus tips for unlimited usage. You might be wondering, how can I use this platform forever without limits? Well, if you like and share this video and leave a comment asking about it, I'll tell you exactly how to use this platform for free with unlimited access. So that's all for today. With this tool, you can easily create professional-looking videos in minutes without needing any video editing experience. Just generate your story, let AI do the work, and voila, a stunning video ready for download. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Also, make sure to subscribe to Grow with ESA for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video, where we'll explore even more cool tools to help you grow your content and creativity. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.